back to the channel. I hijacked the video. Hey, this is my channel. Get out of here. Hey! Back from a few months, we took a bit of a break. Last video, we filmed a fake cliffhanger that came back to bite us. We officially have the driver of BMW on this. There's oil everywhere. After driving a few hundred miles and changing the oil bug failed. So we have to fix that, which means I guess the subframe's coming back out. Since the subframe's coming out, we're gonna upgrade a few parts that we'll show you later. I'll see you when the subframe comes out. Okay, that took 10 minutes of your time. We took the oil pan to a professional welder since you've seen how my dad welds. They're terrible. And if you haven't, check out the other video. While we're waiting, we're gonna open some new parts of the suspension. These are new tension struts from Turner. These are new sway bar ends. Sway bar end rings. These are sway bar end rings. End rings. And new tie rod ends. And the last new piece is the front load control arms. These are heavy. Hopefully the spherical bushings help. Spherical bushings. Spherical bushings help us not wobble over 60. And give us vertical ring. We just picked up the oil pan from the machine shop and they welded in the new bung. And you can see how much better it was from my dad's welding. I couldn't even see it when we picked it up. We got a new oil pan gasket, so we're going to use these zip ties to line up the holes.
There and pull it through, but not tight. Like, keep going a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little more. Okay, right there.
Okay, we have two bolts lucidly on. Now we carefully cut the zip ties. This is hard.
Keep breathing. Pull from up here. Pull all the way from the knot. There you go. There we go.
Now that we've got all the zip ties off, we're gonna put some more bolts in, and then we're gonna torque everything and put the subframe in. The oil pan's in the subframe, and one thing that we noticed when we were putting the subframe in is that the bushings on the sway bar were crumbly, so we ordered new ones. And that's what we have here. We're gonna put the bushings on the sway bar, and then we're gonna get the rest of the suspension. Look where the old tie rod was. Now we're gonna screw on the new one. Before we can install the tie rod, we need to install this tension strut to install the tie rod. We adjusted the tension strut so it's the same length that's the original one. So now we can install the tension strut, and then we put the tie rod in. We've got everything installed. Ta-da! one thing that we noticed when we take apart the car is that the skid plate was missing a huge piece. So we updated it to this. Protect also by 10. So let's put it on and we'll be done. Everything's on. So we're gonna get, so nothing's probably gonna not get through there. So we're gonna get this aligned, and then that should be it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!